Municipal and Town Council Karni ULB election rakhi thaka campaign period ja kalisam 4 bajibra khatam kulusha aro election norm sesapti vote cast nakra takti movement restriction kulusha kogina report kridi ase election norm sesapti mukukchun aro kha deputy commissioner jonai thaka asaptu mishamshi incident naulabo karni party candidate khantu public meeting na holipi public addresses election laga nam loigina nakrubole koidia ase aro election laga nam loigina means of cinematography television na holipi similar election addresses nakrubole koidisha aro election matter loigina public gathering na holipi musical concert khan organize nakrubole restriction kriloishe kogina jonai thaka viewers khan ki jankari dia ase Next khobote Public Health Engineering Department PHED Urban Division Khan Jonai thaka sabti Sunday Phujor NST Garage Osor Leri Kohimati mudslide hoja issue karni water supply disrupted hoja sha aro department khan tu fix kurlobole iman taratari kam kri thaka report dia ase PHED khan la sources di temporary restoration karni iman khushi kurgena aija sha aro full restoration come to line department khan ke modop logina service restoration kam kuri thakya koi dia ase itu karni PHED urban division khan tu residents khan ki inconvenience bear kurgena kam khatam na kura tak cooperation uthai divi kogena urge kuri dia ase next khobote NDPP Mukukchun region khan tu congress malpractices incident Sangtimla ward number 11 ti constable of DEF Mukukchun red-handed voters khan ki poisa phakri di thakse kogina NDPP Mukukchun region khan bra complaint file kri di sholipi withdraw kurlo she kogina khobor dia ase khobor te complaint file kora sabti investigation sur kuri disha aro accused to mudu khagina sati khan ji support krubole koigina berai thakse ko ase holipi kesh khan iku recover krubole para nai kogina police khan confirm kri di sholipi SP Mukukchun immediate disciplinary action rakhilo sheko ase itu karni NDPP Mukukchun region khan bratu incident June 23 tarik pra hogena video audio evidence ikunai holipi door to door campaign kuri bera thakse kogena paisheko ase police site verification kugena disciplinary action rakhilo karni NDPP Sangtimla ward unit khan tu mutual understanding hesapti FIR withdraw kurlo shekogina statement dia ase aro necessary action loi dia opoti satisfaction express kri dia ase aro district disaster management authority report di thake asapti ki free district alag alag part sub division ti mudslide aro rock slide penkim changdang sangchong wongchuwong fakim aro mimi phale face kurgena ja thaka witness kurbo pare ase